Mark Fierii here. I'm going to teach you how to cook really good omelets for one person. Let's get at it. So first, you need 5 cocked eggs. These very cocked eggs. My mom gave birth to the cocked eggs. Then we need red bell pepper and a green onion. And this is my substitute for my butler, Jeffrey. Say hello, Sebastian. What's up? Alright. So first, let's crack the eggs into this very nice bowl. Ready? You're not ready. Ready? Yummy! First egg. Done. Ah! What are you doing, butler? Oh, thank you. Okay. Now that's 5 cocked eggs. Alright, let me wash my hands. Thank you, butler. So, we mix it. You guys know Guy Fierii? Yeah, the one with the red car thing. Yeah, he's my brother. But I'm the better version. Alright. Butler, come here. How many pinches? 2 for each. 2 for that, 1 for that. Thank you. So 2 pinches of black pepper. 1 more. And this one. Should I use this? I'm gonna use it because it looks cool. Okay, let's say that's 2 pinches. Now let's mix. Skirt, skirt. Thank you, butler. Very nice, you know? Okay, now the egg is mixed. Let's get this very ginormous pan, thick pan. Let's turn on the heat. Which one is this? Should I put it? Butler, should I put it on high?
Put it on high.
Alright. Let's put it on high. Hello. Alright. Let's get myself some pure vegetable oil. You know? Or vegan. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Nice one, butler. Should I pour it? Right. Okay, butler. Do me a favor and can you keep track of that while I cut this things up? This much?
This much.
Okay. See, my butler is very nice. Red pepper thing. Okay, now we chop it. Should I chop it like into cubes?
Really chop it this way first and then chop it into cubes.
Alright, thank you, butler. Ugh. Now I chop into cubes. Alright, that's the red bell pepper. Now we get this onion. You doing good, Butler? Butler, how much should I put?
This much.
By the way, I'm making this for my butler because he deserves it. Unlike the other one, Jeffries. Shout out to Jeffries. Ah! All right. There we go. Ta-da! Okay. Now we got onion. Great. Butler, have you been keeping track of that?
Yeah.
You know how to make omelets, Butler?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll get back at you in 5 minutes. Yummy! Alright, your boy Mark Fierii is done with this delicious omelet. Now let's get this on a plate. That was dangerous. Alright, let's get this on a plate. Okay. Nice. Alright, see? These very delicious onions. Alright, that's done. Now, my butler over there is just putting some pure vegetable oil on the pan. Can you mix that for me, butler? Alright. So now, we get this on. Sizzle. Alright, right now we're just cooking these onions. Oh. You don't see that. Right, so yeah, just mix them up. The onions and red peppers, yeah. Sadly, we don't have any green bell peppers. But then, placement, we have green onions. And we're gonna put that on top after. Alright, Butler, do you like how it looks so far? Yeah, should I put it on now?
Yeah.
You like it, Butler? Butler.
Yeah.
Alright. So, let's get this and put it on top. Alright. So, we're just chopping up these green onions here. See my Butler right here? He's really good. He flipped it. Alright. So, now, we wash our hands. You know what we do? You know what we do? You all ready for this, baby? Yay! Alright. Thank you, Butler. And that's how you make a delicious omelet with Mark Fierii. See y'all later. We out. No, wait, no. We gotta get the Butler to say we out. Butler, say we out.
We out.
Say, roll the...
Wait, what's that called?
Roll the clip.
No,
Montage.
montage. 3, 2, 1, go.
Roll the montage.